Yo, new update. Yo, guys, brand new update. Brand new update of Easter is dropping. No way. The Easter Kaiser, the Easter Bunnies event. You can actually get yourself some free slots right now. If you want a free slot, just comment below Easter Kaiser. Easter Kaiser. Look at that. Easter Kaiser. Comment down below Easter Kaiser right now if you do want a free slot. But into this video, I'll be showcasing to you all the new working codes that you can actually redeem in Blue Lock Rivals Easter event. There is a new Easter event and you can actually get yourself Easter Kaiser by playing in this event, collecting all the Easter eggs. I can actually showcase to you guys. Look, they're Easter eggs. These are the Easter eggs that you have to collect in the game, as well as the shop. Let me show you the brand new Easter shop, because inside of the Easter shop you'll be able to get yourself Easter Kaiser right here. Look, Easter Kaiser. There's a free premium, wait, there's a free gacha and there's a premium gacha. And you can spin these things with football tokens, like the egg tokens. If you have a lot of egg tokens, you can actually get yourself Easter Kaiser. But there's a limited quantity. There's a limited quantity of Easter Kaiser, 25,000. Only 25,000 people can get this Easter Kaiser, and he will never be returning in Blue Lock. So this is a very important update. And you can also see the other shop right here. There's a daily rewards with all these tokens. You can collect a bunch of tokens by playing on the daily, doing all these quests. So that's pretty much how you can get all these tokens in the Blue Lock update. Let's actually show you all the new codes. We got the new codes right here. Easter code, Easter 25. Easter 25. So this is the first code. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe as well, because you can actually get yourself a bunch of free stuff. The next code is the GOAT. The GOAT 1.8 million exclamation point. Iga GOAT. Okay, Iga GOAT. So that is the other code I should redeem. We also got 2 billion visits, if I remember correctly. Visits. 2 billion visits code. And we got the monkey code, the actual monk code. So this is the other code I should redeem for some free stuff. But there is also a Easter Kaiser code dropping today. So make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, because the Easter Kaiser code is dropping soon.